Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Zbrush and heading straight to Preferences Config. This is where UI behavior lives. Once there, enable Customize mode so the interface exposes the color swatches and background controls. Make sure to save your current config first. That preserves your original layout and colors. This prevents accidental loss. It's a quick backup step. Now you're ready to change the actual color settings without risking the default scheme, and you can proceed to adjust specific elements. Now modify the UI palette by opening Preferences Colors and selecting the elements you want to change. You can use RGB sliders or HSB pickers to pick precise hues. This gives control over subtle contrast and readability. Change background, panel, and button colors individually, adjusting active versus inactive states for clarity. As you tweak values, watch the interface update in real time so you can judge contrast. Once satisfied, confirm each element so the changes integrate smoothly into the layout. Finish by saving your work. Go to Preferences Config Store Config so the new colors load at startup. Once done, test by restarting Zbrush to confirm persistence. If colors revert, reload your saved config or reset preferences and reapply. Sometimes corrupted UI files require a reinstall. Also check for plugin conflicts or mismatched GPU color profiles that can distort hues. Addressing those often resolves odd color shifts. If needed, restore your backup config and try the steps again.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.